Hello, this is Shraddha from Early Learners and Right Brainers. We had a wonderful session thanks to Zoom and thanks to Hazy people. Because of this session, I think most of the parents are extremely happy and are very content. Tomorrow, that is 10th of May, I'm going to start with some beautiful topics that I know everybody is really looking forward to. So, the first topic is going to be alpha music. It is very much that every one of you are aware of it, but still we are going to talk about it, and I'm going to present some of the things that I know, and I hope that you guys will enjoy. And stay tuned. Extremely grateful to each one of you for being actively participant of today's Hegru seminar. I want to really thank Hegru guys because the session was for only 2 hours and they extended it to 2 hours 30 minutes or 40 minutes. The questions were very overwhelming. I just want to personally say one thing: why everyone is after flashcards? Even the Hegru sir Suryanto Lim, were you not able to really understand that he also mentions the same thing, that right brain training is not just flashcards? Of course, he said that flashcards are important, so is alpha music, so is linking memory. Everything, the exposure, the environment that you give to your child is the most important thing. That is what he was mentioning. But everyone was asking the same question. I was really feeling like he has already explained that how to do the flashcards and how to, like the methodology also he was trying to explain. I think we should come out of a frame of mind or a misconception that we have already cultivated. So, parents, I want to really tell you something, that please have an open mindset. Right brain is not a structured syllabus. This is not school. Everybody will come and tell you some different way of teaching, because right brain training is nothing but creativity. So every parent has to be creative for their own child. You will get a like an outline, but whether to make a square, whether to make a circle, whether to make a line, that is dependent on your child and you as a parent. So you cannot say that, okay, if Shraddha is taking flashcards from this particular this thing, then it is good. If Shraddha is not taking from this, then it is bad. It's not like that. You have to experiment on your own. Of course, I'll give my own personal take that I feel this is good. Same way, there are so many parents who will give their own takes. So what you need to do is you need to test everything with your child, what is working best for him. So that was my only concern that I felt in the entire seminar. I was really happy that Suryanto sir was being so kind and he was patiently replying everything. And at one point, I started feeling, please ask something different. There was a little confusion. I think there were many questions that were actually submitted by many people, but some of the parents gave wrong numbers. And when I had to again send an invite, so there were a couple of like 50 parents maybe who did not submit the questions before the registration to Hegru team. So they were, I think, asking so many questions, and that created a little mess. So I just want to request everyone. I don't know whether we are again going to get such opportunity, but whenever you get an opportunity, always try to be a little patient and listen to what the instructor or the person who is giving training, just listen to what they are saying. The questions that you are asking were already discussed in the seminar. That showed that you were not paying attention. You just had the question in your mind. It is always said that listening skills should be very good. What happens is, when we start a communication, we have preconceived questions in our mind, so we just don't understand or we just don't listen to what the other person is saying. And exactly that has happened today in the seminar. I'm extremely grateful that Hegru teachers were so patient with us, but at the same point of time, I was trying to listen to all the parents questions, and I thought that I thought that many questions were getting repeated, and that's why there was nothing that I could. That's why there was nothing that I could actually And that's why I was feeling that why saying some questions that already have been discussed in the seminar itself, like when he started, and still parents are asking the same thing. This shows that you guys, even if you are getting information from the Hey Group people, even if you are getting information from me, even if you're getting information from so many groups that are there on Right Brain, we all know, and we each one of you are part of those groups, and still you guys are getting confused. That means there is some problem. That means you are not keeping your mindset open. And the sir also was saying that be creative. Flashcards, even if 5 or 10 are shown, it is good. You can introduce more and more cards. If dot cards your kid is not able to do, then you do you show via some counting method, like you show 4 broccoli. There was one parent who was asking about equations and all those things. Good that you ask those questions, but I personally feel that why are you thinking like, okay, the first two things he's not able to understand, how will be, how the guy will how the baby will understand the equation parts and this and that. I'm sorry I had to cut your question. I personally felt that the Hebrew Academy sir was getting overwhelmed by all such questions, where he was already saying that there are so many ways to teach your child maths. There are so many ways that you can use to make your flashcard session fun. He was giving so many examples. I think we should take up a opportunity to understand ourselves, the right brain training, rather than keep on asking questions and getting confused. So my personal advice to all the parents who are trying to do right brain is to, whenever you get any information on right brain, please try to understand it deeply, think about it, really understand about it, try to make some different ways out of it. Don't think of a methodology. Shachida or Hey Guru or Domain, they all are saying the same thing. Your child and you are the only people who will understand the right method. So once again, guys who are really appreciating the seminar, I want to really thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate Hey Guru guys for being so patient with all of us. We all were being crazy and we were asking questions like anything, which is definitely good thing, but at the same time it was extremely overwhelming. Still they were very much patient, and we should appreciate this main thought, that look how a right brain teacher should be. They should be calm. So if we as a parent are going to train our child, the first thing that all of us are lacking, including me, is patience. We need to be highly patient. There were so many questions getting bombarded on that sir, but he was patiently listening. I don't know whether you guys observed it or not, but the person was absolutely calm and very composed. I think that is the main thing. Like, when you are going to try to teach your child right brain training, the first thing is you have to be patient. So guys, thanks to each one of you for participating. I had a total count of 243 people who had joined. There were seats for 295. I don't know, some people had issues like they couldn't get the right link and the password was getting wrong and all. These are all technical things which I was not personally able to help anyone. So sorry for that. But I appreciate those 250 parents who really took out time and attended the seminar. Thank you very very much. Thanks a lot. I don't know how much important it is for you all, but for me it is the most important thing, because I started a group called as early learning right brainers, and I had no idea that one day I'll be able to communicate with Hey Guru Academy. For me it is huge thing, and for me making even two parents getting help from Hey Guru is a big thing, and I'm happy that we 250 people got help from Hey Guru. It's really nice. So thanks each one of you, and keep supporting this group. I have also started my YouTube channel and Instagram channel, because I feel that communication via writing is in one way and speaking is another way. So I think it will be great if you could support me over there as well. Thanks a lot each one of you. Thank you. Keep your cup empty so that you can understand things. Bye bye.